Right, just going to have a go at like a profile tutorial. File, new, template, bring in a new drawing, go into model space. Now this is quite commonly used when we make the laser cut profiles with weird and wonderful shapes for people. I want to draw the UK coastline and the counties. So I've already traced around an atlas with some tracing paper, because I don't need it super accurate, and I'm going to bring it in as a picture. Insert file. Now it's a JPEG.
The bookseller mentioned you in your latest ebook bestseller, the corner shop at Cocklebury Bay. That is currently
it's
top
not.
of the ebook charts. Is it business as usual?
Insert.
Is it better than usual or what?
I'll have to say, I really do feel for Abby as a debut author.
Picture.
I appreciate what she's saying.
From file.
Pick up her, but for me,
And it's a JPEG.
I'm selling a lot more ebooks. I would actually say probably 4 times as many as I usually do. It obviously helps the corner shop is in the chart and it's visible.
Open that.
It's one of a trilogy,
And it says define the first corner of the image, and you just basically pop it on the screen. Doesn't matter about the scale this at the moment. So in fact I've got it upside down as well, but we still get the principle. So I'm going to pick up I think I'm going to do it in a polyline. We'll change the colour so I can see it better. Orange. And basically I'm going to start, let's start at the tip of Scotland, even though it's upside down. Or is the world upside down? I don't know. But yeah, just click down, keep tracing round. I mean, as many points as you want. I mean, I've already traced around with a pencil, so I spent far too long doing that, to be honest. I don't really need this level of accuracy, but I'm doing the UK map, and then might be able to use it as a COVID map to sort of get an idea of, and then throw some computer program at it about the spread of the virus. But it would also make a very good laser profile for metalwork. That, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we don't make a few in the future for someone. So make a good tutorial. So I'll carry on tracing round this. When you get right round, say I'm already there. If you make a mistake, you can right button one step back, and you can keep going one step back. So, and then when you want to close the polyline, right button, close, and it'll close it. Then you've got yourself a proper area that you can hatch, or you can inquire about its area, and then we'll turn it into a real scale drawing, but I'll do that in the next tutorial.